Alright, so we got this observation, simply fungi, including lichens. I've tagged it to a couple of projects. And if it's like green saying waiting to upload, you can just hit the green upload cloud and it will go to it. Okay, then a couple of other key pointers here. One is this activity tab. So this is where I get notified that someone else has helped me identify something. So for instance, this mushroom I saw, I thought was in the Amanita genus, and this person made it very slightly more specific. So it's important that I check that out, and if I believe that's true, I'll hit the agree. That just helps us get closer to identifying the actual species. Okay, so now you can see. And if we get two people agreeing on the exact same species, then it will go to research grade, which is what we want. Right now, this is still in the genus or section of a genus, so it's almost there, but not quite. So, like for instance, this variable oak leaf caterpillar moth, I put that in, but then it had to be verified by someone to be able to be research grade. And there's a lot of observations that I'm still waiting on some help. So this is just a mushroom identified to family. And so if I want to check to see if anyone else has helped, I can click that middle thing. So it's just still in the family. And then the last thing I want to make sure to mention is it's cool to check on these projects that you join. Like I think your teachers will tell you about a couple, including the Wayne National Forest BioBlitz of the Athens unit. So you can click on that and get an overview of what's happening. So we're up to 403 people who have contributed observations, totaling 3,258 species approximately. So it's just kind of fun to be able to catch up on what other people are seeing, and if you want to help with identifications, you can pull it up, and then if you click on what it is, it'll give you some other photos of other people's observations that can help you say, yeah, I think that's an imperial moth. And if you agree, you can go back, agree with their identification, and then bam, it bumps that hairy hot dog caterpillar up to research grade imperial moth. Okay. So I think those are the essentials for using iNaturalist, but if you have any questions, my email is just joe@ruralaction.org, and have fun discovering out there.